Okay, so today is February 21st, I believe, Friday, and today I learned that sometimes you just need to kind of make life a little bit more fun and a little bit more exciting than it actually is, I guess. I don't know, just recently I feel like I've been trying to do things that just like make life more fun. Like the other day, I was just like, I had some free time and I saw this thing on Pinterest where you like arrange your couch cushions in a certain way and then you like make like a little house. And so I did it and it was just like super fun. I'll put like a picture of it somewhere. But it's just something that it just like make me feel like a kid again. Just like mess around doing dumb things, but it's just fun, right? And then today, like, I think what comes with that is like, what's it called, like romanticizing life and just like making it more beautiful than it actually is, maybe. So like, one of my favorite things to take pictures of is sunsets and just like the sun in general. And today I just kept on thinking like, ooh, I could take a picture of that, I could take a picture of that, I could take a picture of that. I was just trying to like capture all these beautiful things and just realize like I made a short about this, like just look around you and realize how beautiful the world is around you. Realize how beautiful God's creation is around you. So I think just like making life better than it may seem, whether that's in a fun way or in a beautiful way or just in a just like being more optimistic about things. I think that's just very important for our overall happiness because a lot of times we can make it worse than it needs to be. And that just puts all those negative feelings and thoughts out into the world. But I think we should really just be making life better than it needs to be, right? And like I said, whether like to make yourself happier, like just make life more fun, to just make it more aesthetic and beautiful if that's your thing, being more optimistic about your goals and your progress and just things like that. Yeah, that's what I learned today. Just make life better than it needs to be. Because it's kind of just like be happy for no reason, right? Just be happy for no reason and just be grateful for things, realize how beautiful the world is around you and what a great position you're in. Because it really just helps boost your mood and helps you feel a lot better about life. And obviously life is still hard, but you know, finding those small things, appreciating those small things to just make yourself happier for no reason kind of thing, right? So that's just a small thing I learned today. Hopefully you can take it and apply it. So I guess your action point for today is just like ask yourself like what are you grateful for, and like just be more present and just be looking around. Like I said, I made a short about this. Like look around, look up from your phone and just realize like how great of a position you're in and just how you can just make life more exciting and more fun and more beautiful than it needs to be. So yeah, just appreciate life more. I guess that's what I have to say. Appreciate life more because it is a fleeting thing and we're not always going to be here, and we might as well make the most of the time that we have here on earth. So that's what I have to say today. Thanks for watching. I guess if you found this video helpful, if you have any thoughts, I'd love a comment and a like. Check out this new hoodie that I got. It says Jesus loves you. That's completely random, but I really love this hoodie. So but yeah, this video is the video I made yesterday where I was talking about tracking your progress and how important that is and how I'm trying to do that. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.